Nah, quit. Shh. Waking up. Hello? Hi there. Looking good in that new paint. I see you, 3421. Where are you? What I describe as the Area 51 of US railroading. Welcome to Your Life Would Suck as a Boeing Product, Part 2. Part 1 will be linked in the description. And make sure to get this video to 500 likes for Part 3. Smell that? That's that good Colorado air, mixed with whoever is burning over there. Anyways, there are 3 of you here at the Transportation Test Center. However, you're the only MBTA one. The other 2 are MUNI, which means you're special. Anyways, for plot reasons and for demonetization reasons on YouTube, I'm not even going to show what they're about to do to you. So I'll see you in about, let's say like a few months.
Hey! Do you have the drill? Never mind, I found some TNT.
If you were operating an LRV, first, notify Control Center.
Give them direct commands in a firm voice.
Second, after being... Fourth, give your location and direction.
People will be frightened.
Let's review the procedures just followed by the operator.
This program was made possible by viewers like you. Alright, it looks like you're ready to go. Let's get you over to Boston, shall we? I know all this sending you back and forth across the globe is nuts, but it's part of the job. Oh, yeah, that. You were built with a trolley pole in addition to your pantograph. You see, Boston and San Francisco weren't quite ready to accommodate your modern technology yet. The overhead catenary still needs some reconstructing. Anyways, I'll see you in about a week when you get there. Hey, you're here. Why is 3401 crying?
Oh my god!
Oh yeah, because he's going to Ohio. Yeah, he's gonna be tested in Cleveland on their former interurban lines. We'll see what comes of that in the future. Anyways, are you ready for your first service? Of course you are. Look, your first passengers. Savor this moment, dog. You okay?
Close the doors already. I'm gonna be late for school.
Late for school? I'm going to be late for work. They'll fire me.
Yeah, and I'm mildly frustrated too, I think.
There it goes. You'll be running on the D branch of the Green Line. It's the longest one, but you'll get to have your own right-of-way so you can get some speed going. No, wait, not too much speed.
Attention, please. Due to a problem, we will be evacuating this train.
Look, I know it's the MBTA, but you're going to have to try a little bit harder to stay on the tracks. You were going slow. Yeah, sure you were. You have a top speed of 50 miles per hour. 14 miles per hour faster than those unks they call PCCs you're replacing. They're sending someone over to re-rail you and move you out the way. I'll see you in the shops. Your day is over. And so is everyone else's day that has to wait for you to be removed.
Hey! Nice driving! Oh great! It's dark here.
Yeah, nice driving. Wait, I think something from the ceiling just dripped on me.
Yeah, I'm mildly frustrated too. Don't you forget that.
Alright, you're here. What's the damage looking like? Yeah, that doesn't look too good. You might be out for a couple of months. Yeah, I know. It should have only been a couple of weeks, but Boeing designed their own articulated section to avoid obtaining a license from overseas builders, so this damage isn't the easiest to fix. In the meantime, they're probably going to fix that corrosion you were worried about earlier. I'll see you in a couple more months. Well, hello, there you are. There are 31 of you here now. So you really weren't missed too much. What? Turns out you weren't the only one with a damaged articulated section. There's actually quite a lot of you here. Well, let's see how you do in service this time. What's up? Oh, I don't know. Probably nothing. You know Boston. Some people say the system is so old it has ghosts. I'm talking about... Ah! Did I get you? I probably did. Anyways, can you turn on the AC? It's hot outside. Your passengers are probably dying back there.
Help! Now I'm dying back here.
What is that? Not gonna lie, I kind of like it.
You need to leave!
Did someone just fall out? Close the doors. The passengers can open up the windows if they want to breathe. That's not a feature. Man, stop the train. What do you mean you can't stop? Wait, what does that mean? So it looks like you derailed again. Let's go over what we learned. Your air conditionings are mounted underneath you so that you're continually drawing up dirt and debris from the tunnels and from the ground around you. And since your doors are plug type doors, Boeing established a requirement to have the doors automatically reopen if an obstruction was encountered while closing in order to avoid crushing passengers. Now, the firm initially charged with designing the doors successfully met this requirement, but made the doors too sensitive. So your doors keep recycling when closing, as they detect a normal closure as an obstruction. So that's what was happening earlier. I thought you were just nervous for your first passengers. Turns out when you're in the maintenance shop the first time around getting your articulated section fixed, another contractor came in and redesigned your doors. Unfortunately, these new doors they installed on you tend to short circuit, which was what was happening when you couldn't stop the train. Your final issue, which I think is your final issue, we don't know yet, your air compressors keep suffering numerous failures. Nice. So y'all are, and I mean this as a collective, the sorriest trains to hit American rails. You will be taking a break. You're suspended. In the meantime, the unks will be taking over from here. Oh, but we're not done with you yet. Remember, 500 likes for part 3. And if I earned your like and subscription, I love you. And if you made it this far in the program, thanks for watching.
Doors open.